Friends, in this video we will see how to compute beta. Remember, beta represents the non-diversifiable or systematic or market risk. Now, for calculating the beta, the following market model developed by William F. Sharpe is employed. Now, don't be bothered with the formula. I know it looks really confusing. Don't worry about it. But I'm going to show you a very simple way of how to calculate beta using this formula. But you don't have to memorize all this. Looks like jargon. Looks like Greek to most of you. Don't worry about it. I will show you a simple way. Now let's look at this example. The returns on security J and the market portfolio for a 10-year period are given below. So year 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 10, return on security J, this is KJ, and return on market portfolio, so KM is given. Compute the beta for security J, beta J. Also find out the intercept term alpha J. Alright. Now how do you do that? How do you calculate the beta? Okay. So calculation of beta. Alright, here you show year. How many years are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Alright, and then return on security J. Let's call that KJ in percentage. Alright, so it is 10 first year, 6, 13, minus 4, 13, 14, 4, 18, 24 and finally 22. And then now show KM, market security, again in percentage. 12, 5, 18, minus 8, 10, 16, 7, 15, 30 and 25. Alright. Then next, what do we do next? Remember, find out, next step is find out what is KJ minus K bar, alright, subscript J. Now what is K bar J? That is nothing but the expected return of security J. Alright, so what we need to find out is, we have to find out what is summation of KJ, and all you have to do is add. So 10 plus 6 plus 13 minus 4 plus 13 plus 14 plus 4 plus 18 plus 24 plus 22, that equals to 120. Alright, and so K bar J is equal to 120 divided by N, which is 10, so that is 12. Alright, that is 12. Same thing, we find out what is sigma Km. So add up, so that will be that is 130. So again, find out what is k bar m. 130 divided by n, which is 10. So that is 13. All right. Now find out what is kj minus k bar j. All right. All you have to do is 10 minus 12 is equal to minus 2. 6 minus 12 is minus 6. 13 minus 12, 1. Minus 4 minus 12 is minus 16. 13 minus 12, 1. This will be 2. That will be minus 8. This will be 6. This will be 12 and 10. Okay. Next, find out what is km minus k bar m. All right. So we have already found out what is k bar m, which is 13. So take the difference. Okay. 12 minus 13 is equal to minus 1. 5 minus 13 is equal to minus 8. 18 minus 3, that is 5. Minus 8 and minus 13, that is minus 21. Then this will be minus 3. This will be 3. This will be minus 6. This will be 2. This will be 17 and 12. All right. Now next is find out, the product of these two. Kj minus k bar j into km minus k bar m. All right. So take the product. Minus 2 into minus 1, that will be 2. 6 8s are 48. Okay, you know the rule. Okay, a negative times a negative is equal to positive. This is 5. This will be 336. This will be minus 3. This will be 6. 48, 12, 204 and 120. All right, and take the sum of this also. So find out what is summation of kj minus k bar right. So plus that is 778. So the summation, the total is 778. All right. Next is find out, the square of km minus k bar m. Find out the square. All right. So how do you find out the square? Okay. This will be 1. This will be 8 8s are 64. 25. This will be 441. This will be 9 9. 36. 4. 289 and 144. Again, find out the summation, the total of km minus k bar m square. That will be equal to 65 plus 25 plus 441 plus 18 plus 36 plus 4 plus 289 plus 144 is equal to 1022. All right. So now how do you find out beta? So beta all right, beta j is equal to covariance COV, all right, Kj Km divided by variance of market portfolio. All right, now how will you find out? Very simple. So this part will be nothing but all you have to do is find out what is summation of Kj minus K bar j into Km minus K bar m. Find out the summation and divide it by n minus 1. All right, that is the numerator. Denominator is nothing but summation of Km is K bar m square divided by again n minus 1. So this is nothing but 778 divided by n minus 1. What is n? N is 10 minus 1, so 9, so divided by 9. So that will be, wait, 778 divided by 9. That will be 86.4. 86.4. So we found out the numerator. Denominator is again 1022 divided by n minus 1, which is nothing but 9. So 1022 divided by 9, that is 113.55. So let's just take it as 6. All right, so 86.4 divided by 113.6, that equals to 0.76. So that is your beta. All right, then we have to find out the intercept term, alpha, 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 and alpha is nothing but, that is a sign for alpha, and you have to find out K bar j minus beta j into K bar m. You know what is K bar j? We've already found out, 12 minus beta 0.76 into 13. So find that out. You will get 2.112%. So that is your alpha, okay, the intercept term. So friends, that is how you calculate beta. I will pose another problem, a similar problem on how to calculate beta. Thank you.